Quick follow-up on the soldering iron. This is a few months in. As you could see, one edge has been eaten away. It's not perfect. It has a little couple, well, definitely where I've been pressing. You can clearly see I've been using it this way. So yeah, it does get eaten away faster than a professional tip, which is steel with the copper insert, but it's definitely way better than the copper, and definitely way better than what it was before, simply because before focusing is user, yeah, before it was going a lot faster with the copper once the copper was exposed, so it's not too bad. But yeah, if you want to do this, just know that it isn't as good as a professional tip. I'm going to actually grind this back with a file now, reaching it and see how it comes out, and I'll just take a picture of that. Well, in less than a minute, it's down to a spade type finish. As you could see, I have one side a little bit flatter than the other, but yes, focus. Yeah, it's difficult to focus on sometimes a point like that. Not bad, very easy to file back and resharpen and reuse. And yes, this is going to take a very long time to actually reach to the point where it's non-usable. Zooming a little further, it's not that bad at all, and yeah, just ground it. It's not properly focused. This is always going to be is you're trying to show a point. Anyway, right, I've gotten to focus by just touching on it. Yeah, it's not too bad. Like I said, one side is flatter. I've grown it that way, so it's easier for me to use. If you want to see the original, look at video number 3. This is where it was actually brand new, and this is how it looks now, and you can see the rough file marks.